In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform an oil change on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath here to catch the oil. Using a 15mm wrench, loosen up the drain plug. And drain the oil. Take the drain plug, just using a pick, get underneath the seal. Slide that out. And take that seal off. And get a new seal and slide it on the same way it came off. And get that started. I'm going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. Using an oil filter wrench, take the oil filter off. Again, you want a drain bucket underneath because we're going to lose a little bit of oil. Let's get about halfway. And that's drained out a little bit, so I'll take the filter off. Slide that off. Take the oil filter. You want to take just a little bit of fresh engine oil on your finger and just put it on the seal. You can also take a rag and just wipe the oil filter housing. Make sure the gasket's not up there. What you can do is take a look at the old filter, make sure the gasket's still attached, which it is. Take the new filter, slide it up. Once it's starting to get tight, then you want to go another half turn to 3/4 turn. Pretty much as tight as you can with just your hands. Just take a rag and wipe any excess. Remove the engine oil cap. Take a clean funnel. And in our location, we're going to use 5W30 engine oil. And we're going to use 6 quarts. Remove the funnel, put the cap back on. Now I'm going to start it up, let it run for 15 seconds, and shut it down. Now we're going to check the oil, grab the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it down with a rag, reinsert the dipstick, and pull it out and check it. You want it in between these hash marks, closer to the top. Exactly like ours. So we're good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.